Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO A98, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me, meaning the home screen. So once that is so for you and whatever you want to capture, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. It also gives you an info that you can capture a screenshot using a 3-finger swipe down. I'm gonna select got it. Now, capturing another screenshot just so you can see this pop-up that was visible right here. You can see we have a scroll and share option, and after a moment this just kind of disappears. Once it does so, you can find your screenshots in your Photos application, and they will be visible under Today, but you can also quickly find it under Albums and Screenshots. Now here you'll also find screen recordings, but as you can see, screenshots are also in here, and as you can see, those are the 2 screenshots that I have captured on the video. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.